So let me ask you this. Do you like to watch Hollywood movies? And especially martial art kind of action Hollywood movies. If you like to watch such kind of movies, you must be familiar with this name, Jackie Chan. So when Jackie Chan was growing in his career, in one of the interviews, somebody asked him, "Hey Jackie, do you want to become a second Bruce Lee?" That time Jackie said, "I don't want to become a second Bruce Lee, but I definitely want to become first Jackie Chan." So how could he able to give such confident answer? Because he used to believe that Jackie Chan is brand already. Do you want to understand that why there are very few brands in this world and why we don't believe that our name is also a brand? If you want to know this, I want you to watch this video till the end. So what's up guys, this is Piyush Patel, an upcoming author of the book called Superhero Next Door and a fellow human being who always love to inspire and help people to evolve in their life. So why I am saying this, that you are a brand, I am a brand, we all are brand. So the biggest reason why there are very few brands in this world is because we ourselves don't believe, we don't have that confidence that we are brand already. So how we are brand already? Because we all are unique. With respect to our life experiences and the derived knowledge, with respect to our abilities, with respect to our skills, we all are unique. And when we all are unique, we are brand already. We can create a brand out of our name. It's just about that, having that belief that you are brand already. Once you start having that belief that you are brand already, accordingly you will start feeling, accordingly you will start having that mindset, accordingly you will start living that legendary life, that amazing life which you always wanted to live. So just 2 years back, I did not used to believe that I am a brand, but with the respect to my self-development journey, and when I came to know this amazing profound statement which is said by Dan Lok, that the reason why there are very few brands in this world because we don't believe ourselves that we are brand already. So if you don't believe that you are a brand already, start believing, and likewise you will be able to transform yourself into a person which you always wanted to become. So this is the message of the day. I hope it has added some value to your life. This is Piyush Patel, your superhero next door, flying out until we meet again.